Hello, welcome to Technology Hub, and in today's video we'll discuss the how exactly the .NET Core 5 is working, and basically in the next video we'll discuss how exactly .NET Core 6 will work so that we can find it out the difference between the .NET Core 5 and .NET Core 6. So let's start. So I'm opening the Visual Studio 2022. So when I open the Visual Studio 2022, I can able to see this screen, and basically you need to create a new project. So if I click this create a new project, I can able to see the different things. So as I already opened the console application, it's showing here the console application. And now if I search here console application, because the console application is already there, so no need to search it here, or else you can search here whatever the application you required. So currently I need the console application C#. Okay, so if I click next one, okay, now you can type any name. So I am giving project C# .NET Core 5. Okay, and I can give this solution name here, any solution, let's say C# projects. Okay, I'm giving the solution name as C# project, and the project name is the project C# .NET Core 5. Okay, I'm creating in the Core 5. Okay, so not .NET 6, it's a .NET 5. And then we'll in the next video we'll understand how exactly we can create in .NET Core 6, and so that we can find it out the difference between the .NET Core 5 and .NET Core 6. So for the time being we'll understand how exactly in .NET Core 5 will work. So currently it's showing .NET Core 6, so I'm changing to .NET Core 5. Okay, then create it. So the new project opened, and there is an file called program.cs is created automatically. Okay, so now if I click this project program.cs, I can able to see this program. Before that, if I click on the project file, okay, so this file, so basically you can able to see the target framework net 5.0. okay, so this means it's a .NET Core 5. okay, from here you can understand. And if I go to this program.cs, I can able to this screen. Okay, so now if I try to run this application, it should print the hello world, because I have written the console.writeLine hello world, and these are the namespace, these are the using statement, and these are the namespaces whatever it's required basically. So this is the system namespace which is help to for the console application. If I'll hover this my cursor here, you can able to see this class system.consoles. that means it's comes under the system namespace. Okay, so these all things we'll discuss in the later video. This is nothing, it's a very simple things. So just focus on this, how exactly this print statement will work. So this statement is saying that I have a main method, so it's this program is saying that I have a main method, so come to this method first. Whatever the classes will create here, no matters, it should come to this main method first, then it will run whatever I'll type here. So if I'll type here ABC, so it will print ABC. Okay, so let's run it. To run this one, either you can click this particular things, this arrow button, or you can click F5, okay, in your keyboard. If I press this one, now you can able to see the ABC is printed. Okay, now if I go towards the program, now if I'll change something like ABC hello world, it will print the same way how I have written. You can able to see the ABC hello world. Okay, so this is printed on the first line. You can able to see this one, right? So now if I'll type here console.write line, so this console.write and console.write line is for the message printing. Okay, so whatever you will type, that will be printed. So now if I'll write the console.write and I'll write this one, what will happen? Let's see. So you can see again it's printed ABC hello world. So this means, so this both will be are printing the same thing. So what is the difference between these two basically? So if you'll see here, let's type it to understand the difference. Let's type it here one more printing statement. So I'm typing here console dot write. Okay, so if I'll type here and hello India. Okay, so I'm typing this hello India. Now if I'll run this one, okay, now let's see what exactly it's happening. Now it's typing here hello India, then ABC hello world in the same line, right? So if you'll write in the same way, if you'll write this console.write, it will print in the same line. If I'll type here console.write line, okay, so what will happen? It will print this statement, then it will give a line of it in the next row, then this value will be printed. Okay, now let's see how exactly it's printing. You can see it's a 2-line statement. Okay, so this means if I am typing something like write line, it will create the message, it display the message, along with it will create a new line. Okay, and then it will print the next message. Okay, if I'll go with this next one, I'll do in the same way. Let's type in ABC hello. Okay, so if I'll type here line, write line, so it will create this one, then it will create a new line, then it will print this one, again create a new line, then again it will print this one. Okay, so let's type it. So let's run it here. You see 3 lines are there. Okay, so in the similar way, if I remove these things from here and from here, you can able to see all will be printed in the same line. Okay, let's see hello India, ABC hello world, then ABC hello, so all will be in the same line. So that's basically the difference between the console.write line and the console.write. Okay, so this I'm running in the C# 5.0, .NET Core 5.0. so in the next video we'll discuss how exactly we can print in .NET 6.0 and what are the different modification is happened in .NET 6.0. we'll understand in the next video. Once we'll execute that application, we can able to see what exactly the differences between .NET Core 5 and .NET Core 6 in the console application. Okay, thanks for joining.